channel. It's Stocia from Stacandstoc, and today I'm going to be giving you guys a wig review on this wig that's on my head. So if you want to know more about this wig, please continue watching. Hey guys, so the wig that I'm currently wearing is from Sensationnel and it's called Lyana. I really don't know how to pronounce it, but of course I'll link it down below. So I got this wig from my local beauty supply store, and surprisingly it was the same price that you would see on Wig Types or samsbeauty.com, and I was so happy that I didn't have to wait for shipping. Just went there, purchased it, and put it on my head. I've currently been wearing this for about 2 weeks now, and this is how it looks. So this wig really reminds me of this Sensationnel Brielle wig. I really wanted that wig, but I was kind of nervous, so I just tried this one out first. They are super similar with the waves and then the straight ends, but I will say this wig, it is a 13x6 wig. The hairline was kind of hard to work with, especially for me. I am kind of a beginner and I really don't know how to do like edges and baby hairs, so it was kind of tough for me. Usually with Sensationnel wigs, I have the easiest time of putting it on my head and styling it, but I did have some trouble with this one. And I will also say, like, this, if you like thin wigs, this wig is going to be for you. But it literally feels like a bundle, and probably like a bundle on a frontal, and that's probably it. It is super lightweight and it's very breathable. I can feel air, I can scratch my head. It's not like itchy or irritating me at all, and I do have sensitive skin, so it's doing super good for me having it for 2 weeks so far. I do get tangles, and of course I do get shedding. Most of my tangles of course happen in the nape area by my neck, and then at the ends, because this is a really long wig, and if you notice, the ends are like completely straight, which is kind of like a con because you kind of want the wave. But I haven't straightened this wig yet, but I definitely am. As you can see, this is what like the bottom of it looks like, the back. So you have your waves, and then it's kind of just like a wave, then like straight ends. And this wig is super long. I usually get like 24-inch, and this is definitely like a 26-inch wig. And yeah, so let me just stand up for you guys and show you what it looks like. Exactly what I'm talking about. The bottom of the hair is very ratty, so like you might kind of want to take a flat iron to it or try to crimp it yourself, but I have put it in 2 braids and unraveled it, and then it is wavy, so I just leave it like that. But most of the time I use this comb or like a paddle brush. Let me give you guys a close-up view on this hairline. It took me like a minute to like work this out. It was like super difficult for me. I was having so much trouble, and here you can see some tangle in here. But yeah, I do love this wig. I would buy it again, but I don't know. It's something, I think it's probably the frontal that kind of like threw me off. That made me kind of like, why did I get this? Because it took a while for me to get it just like this. And I did wear it in like a side part and everything else. And yeah. So this is my finished product of how I did the wig, and I just want you guys to know I am a beginner when it comes to laying wigs, so please don't drag me in the comments for if it looks kind of like ratty or tatty or a mess, but this is what it looks like. I did my best. I definitely have some more wig reviews coming up, so if you guys want to see more wig reviews, tell me which wigs you would like to see, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.